then we get to the deepest level. And that's the empathic listening, where you show empathy. And there's a resource that I'll talk about, but you can get into what this person described in the book, and I thought it was wonderful. You get in that person's movie. You have to get out of your perspective and jump into that other person's. So you're at work and somebody is saying, we have this big meeting coming up. I am sick about it. I am so nervous. I have to present about it. Well, if your response is, don't worry, you'll be fine, you're clearly not being an empathic listener. But if you respond by thinking, all right, I wouldn't be that nervous, but he's pretty nervous, acknowledging that and getting into his perspective, you're going to be communicating a lot better.